Hey, Jason, I'm outside right now. The snow is picking up big time now. We're getting moderate snow. It's coming down, and now the snow is starting to stick on the road a little bit. See that? See the road? Let's do a little bit more. See that? Getting a little white. Oh boy, I'm getting a little scared. I'm not driving out in this weather tonight. No way. Yep. I guess the good thing right now, the snow is not sticking on the tree. That's good. We don't need no power out tonight. Yo, what up? It's Jason. I'm out in the snow. Yep, unbelievable. This weather is crazy. Yep, right now the wind is calm. There's no wind. I mean, you don't see no wind at all. They said northeaster's coming, but do you see any wind here? Oh, it's starting to stick on the trees again a little bit. But you see, do you see the wind? I don't see that much wind at all. Maybe later on tonight it'll come. Yeah. It's coming down pretty good. Let's take a walk. Woo! Big flakes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's starting to come down. Big flakes. Big flakes. Look. Wow. Hey, Jason, it's coming down. It's starting to come down. It's starting to stick too. Let's look at it. Yeah, see the sidewalks now. Yeah, see loaded ice, loaded with snow. I was gonna say ice. Oops, error. See, look, it's sticking. See the snow coming down more? Look at this. Wow, it's snowing. Woohoo! Yeah. Take a picture. Yep, taking a video of the snow. Look at that. It's coming down real good now. Snow has picked up. Yeah. Yep, we got some snow here. Look at this. Look at it sticking. I say about a half inch. It's just a half inch of snow. Yeah. Yep. Now it's gonna be snowing for another 8 to 9 more hours, so we got plenty of time for getting more snow. Look, it's sticking quick. It's Jason, it's snowing outside, I love it, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yeah. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, woohoo! Yeah. I'm running, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow, woohoo! That's just crazy, crazy. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I'm right here. Yeah, woo. Yeah, boy, it's crappy out here. La 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 la, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Woo! Oh yeah. It's going pretty good. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Woo! This is my backyard. Look at the snowflakes coming down like crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know, you can see me in the snow. Let's go and check that temperature. What's that temperature? What's the temperature out here? Come on, is that temperature dropping? Woo! What's the temperature, Jason? Yeah. Yeah, it's getting all weird. Oh, the temperature's definitely dropping. It's about 33 degrees. But it's dropping. Snow's picking up, temperature's dropping. Yeah. Look at these big snowflakes. Incredible. Holy macaronis. Yeah. Holy mackerel. Yep. I want some macaroni. I think I may have it after being out in the snow. Look at that. Holy mackerels. Woo! It's coming down good. Look, guys. Look at this. I know it's acting weird. Yeah, see the snow? It's on my jacket. See? I got snow in the jacket. Yeah, so it's definitely getting cold out. Snow is starting to stick. There's the roof. Yeah, look, I got snow on my roof already. It's coming down good. Now we're gonna get, if we get the way snow now, if we get 1 to 2 or even 3 or 4 inches of snow, you could go to 1 inch of snow to about 5 or 6 inches of snow very quickly in like a couple hours. You get 2 inches an hour, man, or more. Yep, because it's coming down real good. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, I don't. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Look at this. Whee! Whee! Yep, this is Jason. I'm out in the snow right now. Coming down real good right now. Yep. Yep. Do 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 do. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yeah. Da 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 da. Whew. Oh, I'm in the dark. I don't think you'll see me in here. But put the light on. Whew. Yeah. But I see it coming down. Yeah. Look at that. Sticking pretty quick too. I don't know what's going on. The zoom, I think the zoom is not working right or something. Alright, we got fixed. But see, look at the snow. See, on my arm. Yeah. See, I got snow on my arm. Coming down pretty good. Yo, what up, Miss Chase? It's snowing, man. It's snowing. Coming down pretty good. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Later on, I'm gonna throw snowballs at you. It's so funny. Yep. Woohoo! Whew. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yep. Yeah, it's starting to stick on the trees now. I don't like this. Yeah, remember look. Well, 5 minutes ago, look. You see the snow on the trees? Yeah, damn snow's going on the trees. Don't mean to swear. Look, see? It's sticking quick, man. This shit coming down real good. I'm happy I'm not working tonight. Yep. Woo, this stuff is pouring down now. Ooh, it's picking up. Yeah. Woo. Look at this. Yeah, car going by. Slow down. Slow down. Too fast, buddy. He's slowing down. He better slow down. See that? Coming down real heavy. Well, this is Chase. I gotta go in, man. I'm up to 8 minutes of video. Yep. Well, we go to 10 minutes. Why not? We could dance out in the snow. Yep. Woo. Snow like crazy. Look, it's accumulating. Look at the roads. They're piling up. The snow is piling up right now. Yeah, we got the snow on the trash can. Look at it piling up fast. Yep. Look at the tracks. Yep. Yep. Snowing pretty good. By the way, I'm gonna walk over here. I'm gonna show you my tree's gone. From the last northeaster, my tree fell down. Look, I don't have the tree there no more. You see that? It's gone. The last storm knocked it out. The wind pulled it right out of the roots. Yeah. That's it. That's the meaning of it. There's the other tree over here. Yeah. Yeah. That tree got a little snow on it. Yeah. Whoo. It's getting cold. My hands are freezing, man. Let it snow. Let it snow. I'm gonna watch these cars. They go so fast. There he goes. Slow down. Yeah. I know. I don't know why people have to drive so fast in the snow, man. Oh, the wind's starting to pick up too. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the tree. See the trees starting to move. Look, a little bit. But I'm telling you, it's getting cold out here now. It's much colder. That thermometer got to be wrong. Got to be like 32 or 30 now. It is getting cold because of the snow coming down. And you know what? These snowflakes that you're looking at, they're getting smaller, saying the air is getting colder. Yeah, let's see. We go to it. See the flakes are not that. See now, they're smaller, a little bit smaller now. See that down here? Yep. See, the flakes are much smaller. Remember those big fluffy flakes are gone. The air's getting colder. Woo! La 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 la, chase the weed out in the snow. Let it fucking snow. I'm having a great time out here. Woo! Woo! Yep, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let the snow come down and the hail comes down. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. You're so silly. Yep. Ooh, my hands are cool. Yep. Woo! Let's do this. Let's do a little snow dance. Ooh. Ooh, there you go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Woo. Yeah, my hands are cold. It definitely got colder out here. Holy mackerels. I'm cold. Woo! This snow is picking up. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yeah, see the car? It's getting all full of snow, man. Woo! It is getting cold. Yeah, I got my hands in my pocket. I didn't bring my gloves out. But the temperature is definitely dropping. It has to be like 32 degrees. Yeah. You dancing? Yeah, I'm dancing. I'm trying to dance. Oh, man. It's snowing! Yay! Ready? Ready? One. Let's run. 1, 2, 3. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Whoa! Oh. Almost. Almost. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Yeah. Oh, can I make a snowball? Here I go. Little snowball. Hit the can with the snowball. Let's go for it. Oh, I missed it. Well, it's Jason. I gotta get going. See you guys later. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. I hit the button. The recording. I hit the recording button to stop. It still won't stop. Oh well. Woo. Woo. Brutal out here. Brutal.